Yusuf. I'm back. I'm finally back. I know y'all probably been wondering like, why the fuck this nigga ain't upload? Niggas probably thought I wasn't gonna upload. Niggas probably thought I probably quit YouTube after probably like 2 videos, for real. But I ain't quit YouTube. I just been, you know, life happened. So I've been getting shit done. Really grinding a lot. If you can see from the title of the video, you probably already know what this video about. It's about me finally getting my new car. I'm gonna reveal my new car a little bit later, but right now I'm just talking about like all the stuff I've been doing. If you're watching this right now, I really appreciate you. I just want to say that, bro, because this stuff ain't easy. I like when you look at YouTubers, you be like, bro, it's easy. They just record, edit, upload. It's easy. Like I can do this. Bruh, this stuff right here, bro, this stuff is hard. Like to like really grow in YouTube, you really gotta put in some work. Like I really see what they mean now. Like you really gotta put the time out and sit there and especially with me, I feel like I know like the quality of stuff I want, and I know what people want on YouTube. So I want the quality to be like really high. So when I do think about it, like procrastinate, like with the videos, it's because, you know, I want to get the best quality off the jump. And I feel like no YouTuber has done that. No YouTuber has really done that. So I just gotta, you know, really just start and mess up with some stuff, to be honest. That's what I feel like. Cause like, not really mess up, but like, see what I could like prove on just off of just starting regular videos. Cause my video is not gonna be exactly what I want off the jump. If y'all know what I mean. I hope people understand what I'm saying and I'm coming out the right way, but like it ain't gonna be exactly what I want off the jump. That's what I need to understand. So I'm gonna start putting out more videos. It's not probably gonna be what I really want it to be, but it's still gonna be high quality. As you can see, it's me in 4K, moving at 60 frames. Yeah, it's gonna be high quality. It's gonna be high quality. I bought this stuff for it to be like high quality, and I've been really grinding, man. I've been really grinding, and I finally got to reward myself for all the grind I've been doing. And you're gonna see my car soon. If you skip through all this, bro, it's cool, because I skipped too. And fuck it, I skipped too. I skipped through shit like this too, bro. But anyways, bro, just watch this little, you know, this little montage of vlogs and stuff I was doing through the past months that I've been gone. And just like, comment, and subscribe if you ain't subscribed. But really like though, cause I'm actually about to put a goal on this video. I might as well say it now. If this video get 100, let's say 100 likes. Let's say if this video get 100 likes next week, or coming soon, I'll just say I get my first mod to my car. Like if this video get, like I said, 100 likes, I appreciate everybody for liking and all that, and doing everything and just really fucking with me. And if you're watching this, like for real, but just watch this video. I'm chatting too much.
Shit, gotta slide on a nigga with that. He slide on a nigga with the Autobahn. Nah, go ahead. Like, look at all the cars and shit. Last time we was here, how old was you, bro? I was turning 15.
I won 13.
No, I was turning 16.
You were 16?
I was turning 16.
How many years ago?
Cause remember my 15th birthday, your mother took me to that boxing fight.
No, nigga.
That was 15, bro.
Oh, shit.
That was 15.
Alright, so how old is you now? You said
I'm driving like 40 now. Say no, I'm like 30.
Then I
Really about to believe. Nah, but I'm 22. About to be 23. Cause Sean, you gotta think about Sean.
You said you 22?
Yeah, you gotta think about Sean just turned 22. I'm a year older than Sean.
22, I'm
Yeah.
so if you was 16,
Remember I stayed back.
I was 30.
Oh shit! Nigga ugly.
Empty now.
Bruh, they got some shit up here. I don't even know where the fuck I'm at. shit out here. I fuck with those though. There's an R32. That's pretty sweet. Look at the M3. Look at this motherfucking Maserati on the ground. Look at this shit. That motherfucker on the ground. Damn. That bit wide body too. You got one of my dream cars right here. Fucking R8. Look at this old Lamborghini. Damn. This shit feel like Fast and the Furious. Look at this shit. Damn. Look at that shit. This shit wide body. What's that fast shit? Some motherfucking Mini Cooper. This got carbon fiber on it. Wheels. Damn. That motherfucker probably fast. But what is this, bro? This motherfucking head is. Like, what is it? This thing great. Like, what type engine this motherfucker got? V10? This is V10? This shit probably V10. This thing crazy, bro. Look at the seats. This shit wide body as hell. Like, damn, with the ass on it. Look at this ass. Damn. I don't know that fancy inside, but that motherfucker look too. Oh, he got. This shit a bet. That motherfucker wide as shit.
What was like fucking
GT.
broken? Yeah. Oh, okay.
GTR. Yeah, wide body too. Aventador.
We had to use the blocks to get you.
Alright, y'all. So, like I said, I got a new car. I know y'all probably been waiting. I appreciate y'all watching the little montage of like videos I put together right before this. If you skip, like I said, it's cool. I skip shit too. Like, it's cool. But I know I get straight to the point too. Come this way. Finally got my car, been grinding and all that. This my new shit. This my new baby, man. This my new baby, man. A motherfucking Infiniti Q50S. I'm pretty sure the S stands for like Silver Sport. So this like the one right under the what's that? Red Sport. So this don't cool. So I'm gonna let y'all come this way, bro. Like you see the tent, man. I did not want it to be this dark. I promise.
Can't see fucking shit out of this thing.
Front, but it's not. It's 5 on the side and shit, like 25 on the front. But this don't cool, man. The Silver Sport is like that. And so my dream car, if y'all don't know, my dream car is a GTR, Nissan GTR. So basically, Infiniti is still a Nissan. It's just a luxury version. So this don't cool, bro. So it's basically just the same car. It's like this is the little brother of my dream car. I can make this car almost the same amount of horsepower stock as a GTR. It's just a GTR got the limits on GTR is just crazy. It's just crazy. So stuff I like about this car, the luxury, of course. It's fast. Girls love it. I love it. My friends love it. Everybody love it. I don't work hard. This don't tough, bro. This don't tough, man. One day I'm gonna finally get to that GTR. And hopefully I can have both the little brother and the big brother of the Q. What they call the VQs? Yeah, the VQs. That's the engine. VQ. So, like I said, this Joe twin turbo V6, just like the Nissan GTR. So, y'all see the back? The light. Y'all probably can't see. I'll probably show it again at nighttime like that. Like I said, this the twin turbo. Don't mind all the extra stuff, all the water and all that. We chilling with that. But yeah, the dash go crazy. I think I got like 180 on the dash. And then I got 2 touch screens. I found out that both of the screens right there is touch screen. This way, I don't got no paddle shifters. I don't have none. But I use my that's crazy. As like the manual shifter, so it's cool. The back pretty cool too. I got a lot of space in the back. Probably fit car seat body. I ain't fitting no car seat no time soon though. Fuck that. Twin turbo V6. And that bitch go. So stay tuned